Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this truly special Jaguar F-Type. Now this is a very rare car, so if you have a look on Auto Trader, there's only a handful of these vehicles on sale. Obviously V6 manual. This vehicle will definitely be a future classic. It's a very drivers orientated vehicle, an absolute delight going through the gears. When you start the engine, the revs, the actual sound from the exhaust, it's honestly a fantastic drive. Now, on top of all that, this car boasts over £10,000 worth of factory options, so massive spec car, finished in sapphire blue metallic, lovely ivory leather interior. It's got a fantastic colour combo, superb road presence on the bigger wheels as well. So in the video I'll try my best to remember all the specification, but it is a massive spec car. First of all, we've got front and rear parking sensors. Front parking sensors is a factory option. We've got the upgraded LED daytime running lights on this one. That's all a part of the visibility package. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on the largest 20-inch alloys with the sort of split rim style where you've got the bolts in between the spokes, finished in a sparkle silver. This one's got the upgraded bigger brakes as well, performance brakes in red, which look absolutely ace. Looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, dings. Condition wise, a truly lovely vehicle. Now coming through to the back, obviously we've got the electrically deployable spoiler, F-Type S badging. This is the bigger brake horsepower car. So when we had a look on Auto Trader, I think this was one of two manual vehicles with the bigger brake horsepower in the country. Sports exhaust on this one. We've got reversing camera, which is another factory option. Electric tailgate, yet another factory option. We've got parcel shelf, loads of luggage space in the back. You can tell that's all in lovely order as well. Press of a button, that glides down. Then same again, just looking down the passenger side, all the bodywork, all of the wheels in lovely order. Now jumping inside, this is where you'll find a lot more of the factory options. So we've got the performance seats on this one. Big factory option, the performance seats. You've got the loops for racing harness. You'd be surprised how comfortable these seats actually are. These then have the factory option of the 14-way memory seats. So it's got the memory package too, which gives you memory for the driver as well as the passenger, as you can see. So not only are they sporty seats, they're very comfortable, very supportive. You can sculpt them to your body exactly. Park folding mirrors. We'll just jump inside. Vehicle then has a leather multifunction steering wheel, heated steering wheel, which I might add, heated front seats. Now, as a part of the visibility package, we've got the heated windscreen, which is a fantastic feature, especially on those colder months. Just press it, defrosts within seconds. Then another massive factory option, extended leather. Lovely smooth leather to match the seats on the roof lining. We've got the leather all across the dashboard, contrasting leather on the center armrest and stuff. But this is the main thing, the manual box. Absolute delight to drive. Feels fantastic going into gears. Other bits and bobs, obviously normal creature comforts, so automatic lights. You've got a multifunction wheel with your voice command, volume and media controls, all your Bluetooth phone. This vehicle has only covered 22,636 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got then auto dimming mirrors all around, blind spot monitoring system as well. Coming through to the centre, obviously as you can see, we've got our front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera, which engages. Pressing back through then, we've got our satellite navigation. Very easy, very responsive. Clicking back through, obviously full DAB radio, iDynamics. So being the bigger brake horsepower, being the sportier vehicle, you've got all your track information. So if I was to flick it into dynamic mode, you can see you've got the factory setup on there, so dynamic engine, steering and suspension. You've got your lap timers, you've got your G-forces showing you, you know, the force going through the car as you're throwing it round the corners. It prompts you on your braking, on your acceleration. Obviously, car's been running for a while, it's all up to temp. We've got our sports exhaust, electrically deployable spoiler, so that's a press and hold. When the light goes off, that's all in the actual in the lowered position. Cup holders, central armrest, aux, USB, sat nav input, all through there. All the original books and paperwork which is supplied with the car from new, still with the car there today. Obviously climate control, that's all very easy to use. If I press back through to the home button, you've got your ambient lighting throughout the vehicle as well, which is a nice feature. When you put it into dynamic mode, it all turns red. Valet modes in control, applications. And then inside, it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. There's no smells of any odours. But this vehicle is a mega factory option car. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's a proper driver's car, being the bigger brake horsepower, manual engine, and the colour combo looks fantastic. So if you'd like anything further on this car, if it's finance that you require, if you've got a part exchange, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.